Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I've been trying to do this video now for about 2 months now, and I finally have time to do it and trying to get caught up on what I'm doing. It's at Walmart and they have this Hart 4-piece combo kit right here. And they had this for $109. It comes with, let's see here, okay, comes with a car vacuum or small vacuum, comes with an air pump, comes with a 4-port charger, and it comes with a rotary tool. Let's see here. 4-port charger charges up to 4 points sequentially. Rotary tool, precision sanding, buffing, and cutting. Hand vac, easy access to tight spaces. Inflator, inflate to full tire in under 7 minutes. So, let's take a look at this thing. Oh, it also comes with 2 batteries, two 2-amp lithium-ion batteries, and 1 4-port charger, which I already set up here. Anyway, I've already taken them out of the box. So, let's go ahead and get started on this. Let me rearrange the camera. I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're going to go over this air tire inflator right now. Pretty big. I can't even put my hands all the way around this thing. Wonder why they made that so big. But the basics of this. It has like a 18-inch hose on it. Regular clamp style like you see on bicycle pumps. It has a little accessory right here to go in your air mattresses. Accessory right here to go in your sports balls, soccer balls, basketballs, and that kind of stuff. Here is the LED readout. Battery connection right here. Trigger. Not too bad. Except for really big. I don't know why it's so big. Okay, we got this battery fully charged here. So I'm going to take off this battery and just go ahead and connect it into here. We're going to go outside. I'm going to let the air out of one of my tires. Something tells me I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm doing it anyway. I'm going to let the air out of one of my tires in my van. And we're going to see how long it takes to blow this thing up. I'm going to use a stopwatch. There, that's how loud it is. Here's the LED readout right here. So, let me get a couple of cameras set up outside next to my van. Let's get busy on this thing, see how this thing works. Okay, here we go. Got my timers set on 0. So, let's go ahead and let me check both these camera angles. Let's go ahead and put start. There we go. Right here. Clamp that down. Just hit 13 psi. .2 minutes and 7 seconds, 17 psi. 32.5 psi. Let me check the door and make sure of my correct tire pressure. And I'm going to leave the timer going. Well, I'll take that back. I can't check the door because I don't have my keys. So let's just go up to 35. There we go, 35 psi. We're going to call that 6 minutes even. So, a little bit quicker than what the owner's manual stated. So I find that a good thing. Now we're going to go back inside and check how much battery life is left. So I'm going to turn you off and I'll see you back inside. We're over here, take these other batteries out. And this side right here, let's go ahead and see how much charge is left on this battery. Okay, put it in this first slot right here. It's on red charging. Now it's on green flashing. So it is charging. Okay, that looks good. Now just because it's sitting next to me, let's go ahead and put it on this charger and see how it looks. There we go, green flashing. So this one doesn't have a meter on it. So kind of disappoints me that I didn't notice that earlier. But I want to say you can get at least 2 full tire inflations off one charge, at least 2. So anyway, nice little tool to have. Keep one in the trunk of your car, and of course check the battery every 2 or 3 weeks, make sure it's fully charged up. I don't think you can go wrong with this. I'm happy with it. I'm pleasantly surprised how good it worked. My name's Carl. Appreciate you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.